Answer yourself too in English. Even short answers are powerful. 3. Use a mirror for practice. Every night, he stood in front of a mirror and had a fake conversation. Like this. Hello, how was your day? My day was good. I worked, studied, and cooked dinner. What will you do tomorrow? I will go to the park, meet a friend, and read a book. This mirror practice made him more confident and natural. 4. Use simple English. Don't try to be fancy. Many learners think, I must use big words to sound smart. Fluency is not about big words. Fluency is about clarity. Use short, clear sentences. Say what you think in the simplest way possible. For example, don't say, the atmospheric condition seems unpredictable. Just say, the weather is changing a lot. 5. Use English in your phone and apps. He changed his phone language to English. He started typing daily notes in English. He listened to English songs, watched videos, read subtitles. English was now everywhere in his day. It wasn't just a subject, it became part of his life. That's how real fluency begins. Not in the classroom, but in your mind. So remember, don't be afraid to talk to yourself. Don't wait for the perfect partner to practice. Make your thoughts your conversation partner. The more you think in English, the faster you will speak it. And soon, you'll say, I don't need to translate. I just speak. That's the real magic of thinking in English. Chapter 10. The final step to freedom. Speak without fear. By now, the boy had built powerful habits. He listened to English every day. He thought in English. He practiced daily. But there was still one big challenge left: speaking to others, in real life. He was nervous. What if I make a mistake? What if people laugh at my accent? What if I get stuck? These fears are common. Almost every learner feels them. But he knew, if he wanted freedom, he had to face it. So one day, he took a step. He joined a small English-speaking group online. It wasn't perfect. Everyone made mistakes. But no one laughed. He said just a few lines at first. I am learning English. I want to improve my speaking. That's it. And that was enough for day one. Next time, he said a little more, then more, and more. With each small step, his fear began to disappear. He realized this truth. Mistakes are not your enemy. Silence is. You can only improve by trying, not by thinking, not by waiting, but by doing. He made a new rule. From now, I will speak English every single day, no matter what. Even if there's no partner, I'll speak to myself. Even if I feel shy, I'll speak anyway. Even if I make mistakes, I'll learn from them. This mindset changed everything. He started joining voice chats. He recorded himself talking. He asked questions on English learning forums. He helped beginners who were afraid, just like he once was. His confidence started to grow like never before. Now, speaking in English didn't feel like a big thing. It became a normal part of his life. He could order food, talk to strangers, ask for directions, and even make jokes in English. He was free. Not perfect, not like a native speaker, but confident, fluent, and fearless. So what can we learn from his journey? Start small, but stay consistent. Listen more, speak more, fear less. Think in English, live in English. Don't aim for perfection, aim for progress. Speak even when you're not ready. That's how you grow. You don't need to live in America or London to become fluent. You don't need expensive classes. You need the right mindset, daily action, and the courage to speak. So now it's your turn. Start today. Speak today. Be proud of your mistakes. They're signs of learning. And remember what we always say. Fluency is not a destination. It's a journey. Thank you for watching this video. We hope this story helped you. If it did, then like, comment, and subscribe for more motivational English lessons. Together, let's grow, let's speak, let's win.